Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use your digital priority pass. First, understand that your digital pass is a key to a world of airport comfort, offering access to more than 1,300 lounges and experiences globally. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can effortlessly enjoy your travel benefits. We will cover everything from setting up your account to making the most of your lounge visits, making your journeys much more relaxing. To begin, download the official Priority Pass application from your smartphone's App Store. Once installed, simply register or log in using your existing membership details. This process will activate your digital membership card within the app. Your digital card will then display a unique QR code or a specific membership number, which is essential for gaining access to participating locations. Ensure your device is charged and ready before you travel. When you arrive at a participating lounge, simply open the Priority Pass app and present your digital membership card to the lounge staff. They will either scan the unique QR code displayed on your screen or manually enter your membership number. It is important to confirm the number of guests accompanying you, if any, before you enter. This ensures accurate billing and a smooth check-in process for everyone in your party. For a seamless experience, always check the Priority Pass app for lounge availability and operating hours before you arrive at the airport. It is also wise to ensure your phone is fully charged or carry a portable charger, as your digital pass relies on your device. Finally, familiarize yourself with any specific lounge rules or guest policies to avoid surprises. Following these simple tips will help you maximize your Priority Pass benefits.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.